This is Justin Anthony, and we in the studio. This is my version of Avicii, Wake Me Up. You guys ready? Come on, let's go.
So wake me up, feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I don't know where my journey will end, but I know where it starts. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream, and life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. Well, that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over.